Today I'll tell you the darkest manipulation technique to make someone fall in love. This is very toxic, and I don't recommend using it. But I want you to be aware of it to protect yourself. This technique is called alternating pleasure with inflicting pain. There is a 3-step formula. First, you need to create a pattern of giving pleasure and validation. Then you need to break it. You need to pull away, be cold, be distant. This makes the other person insecure and makes them chase you because they want that validation from you. When you treat someone like shit, it makes their self-esteem go down, and the only thing that can make it go up again is you. The 3rd step is validating them again. Causing pain in a person makes them from an attachment to you, and it makes you unforgettable to them. Using this technique, you can manipulate someone whom you want to fall in love with.